And welcome back. Today in this tutorial, we are going to be talking about the input field, which will enable you people to be able to upload images and other sort of folders. When you are doing some sort of registration, you see an input field where you will be able to upload your profile picture or upload some kind of document, and you'll be thinking, yeah, it is there just like that. And if you don't know much of HTML, you definitely don't know how it is done. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial that it is an input field with a type of file. So that will enable you to be able to click it and choose the type of file you want to upload. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to open a new folder, and then I'm just say file. Let me give it a name of file, this folder. So I want to open up this file inside this folder inside my code editor, which in my own scenario I'll be using VS Code as usual. So now after that, I want to create an index.html file, index.html file. And then I definitely want to bring out the normal document structure, which is like this. So let me quickly have an input field here. Let's have an input. By default, every input field comes with a file and the type of text. So let me open up this inside a browser, and you are going to be able to see what we have already. So if the input field is of type of text, you are going to be able to input text inside it. So by default, every input field type is set to text. But here in our own scenario, we want to make it in a way that people will be able to upload something. So we change the type of here to be equals to file. And then let me save and let's see what happens inside our browser. So you see immediately I change the type to be equals to file. It does this, and I can be able to choose anything I want, and then I can just upload it. You see now it give it the name of the file I just uploaded, and using this I'll be able to do anything I want. So now this it is easy. Just what you need to do is to put an input field and then give it a type, set the type to be equals to file, and then that's done. You'll be able to upload profile picture, you can upload any picture, you can upload any document here, and that's how it's done. If you really like this video, kindly subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.